Dear members of the Porto Business School community, I hope that you, your family, your friends are all safe and healthy. It has been now a month since my last message, and I believe it's time for me to get back to you and update you on all the things that we have been doing at Porto Business School. The past 4 weeks, as you all know, have been truly unprecedented for all of us. The coronavirus pandemic took all of us by surprise, and at PBS we had to react quickly. Our first priority was the safety of our community. We implemented a plan and safety procedures for our staff, faculty, and students. And in a record time, we moved our entire operation to online delivery and remote work. I can confirm that nobody in our staff nor in our entire community got infected. So our most crucial objective was achieved: 0 infections. Then we had to turn our attention to our core business, our programs, and we quickly adjusted them to the new circumstances. We designed specific actions, course by course, to ensure the quality of the learning experience. We stayed side by side with our students, we communicated directly with them, and we accommodated to their needs. We also created the conditions to finalize the second term in the MBAs and the postgraduate programs. When I look back, I realized that it has been amazing and remarkable to see how everybody has responded to this crisis. In a very short period of time, the entire school turned itself around, and we were able to quickly mobilize the staff and faculty to develop online solutions. And at the same time, we were sensing the reactions of our students and our clients, and we were adapting our responses accordingly. The joint effort and the positive can-do attitude that I have seen is something to be applauded, something to be proud of. As I mentioned in an earlier message, not all solutions are perfect, nor are they all appropriate all of the time. The messages that we got from the government and the health authorities made it clear to us that the duration of the isolation period was going to be longer than what we all had initially expected. So, as the circumstances were evolving, we had to adapt to the new needs of our stakeholders, and we responded by postponing most of the existing programs. I must tell, however, and I want to emphasize that, PBS is not shut down. It is very much active. It's open, online, through new programs, seminars, and other initiatives. Let me give you some examples. We created 15 new online executive programs, and these have already enrolled more than 200 participants. We expanded our online offer through masterclasses, webinars, podcasts, and reading materials. We implemented a volunteer program, which we call Sharing is Caring, where the PBS community helped children at home to better occupy their time. We also created an observatory to track how companies are responding to this crisis. And we have created a business continuity toolkit to support them in that endeavor. Now, we are permanently monitoring the situation in Portugal. We are analyzing all the measures and preparing ourselves for different scenarios. At this moment, our focus is to ensure all the conditions for a safe return to our presential operations as soon as it is possible. We're working to guarantee the continuity of our ongoing programs with a high quality level that you expect from our school. And we're also preparing our next academic year and building our new portfolio, which we believe will be the best ever. These are challenging times, there is no doubt about it. But this isolation period that we are all going through is also a time of opportunities. We can use this time to improve ourselves, to equip ourselves with new skills and new knowledge. It is an opportunity for education and training. You may have heard this quote of Nelson Mandela. He said, "Education is the most powerful weapon we can use to change the world." At PBS, where we make change happen every day, we firmly believe in the transformational power of education. This is why I would like to say to you that education will be the most effective weapon to bring a positive change in the post-COVID world. Building on our history of excellence in executive education over the past 32 years, we at Porto Business School are ready to play our part in the recovery and reconstruction of our economy. Let's do it together. Thanks for your attention, and please stay safe.
Make change happen.